Yes, I know, I know, I know, I know.
Oh, that doesn't look like a Canada one. That's a different.
Which one is it?
It's not a CN. See? Definitely not a CN. Just a different color.
Oh, wow. What?
Just different color. It's not red.
Cool. Wait. Trying to get it from this thing. There.
Who cares if you get the car in the picture?
I know. I don't care. They're moving. Thank you, people. We're moving over.
Bro, Westbound's been on the move today.
I know.
These are brand new.
Wow. They sure are. Holy cow.
Bro, how many turn bars do you have?
I don't know. Holy crow.
It's all liquid and stuff.
Wow.
And the ones right here? Look, look, look.
What?
Another train.
Oh my god.
There's two.
Oh my god. That one's backwards.
Yeah.
That's funny.
And they're still going.
I know, there's a lot more.
Watch the train. Watch the enemy of the booth as the train.
Yeah, then you're gonna say a caboose. Yeah, there's still more coming. This is like going on the freeway.
Thank you, son.
What time did it come?
I don't know.
I'd say about,
6:20 something?
yeah, 6:20.
Yeah. It's been going for about 9 minutes.
And it's still going.
No, the end right there.
Alright, there it is. There's the end of it right there.
Fuck, that was a long ass train.
It sure was.
Look at the pretty doggies. They're up.